Today we're going to talk about cleaning the outside of your vehicle. The process that I'm going to give you is one that I use, and we're going to start with cleaning at the tires first, and then working our way from the top on down. So right now I'll demonstrate to you basically how you spray down your tire area, and then we'll start at the hood and then work our way down. You want to make sure you get into your wheel wells. Then after you sprayed your tire area, start the hood, the roof. Side panels, mirrors, windshield, hood, and front bumper. Then what we're going to do is take our microfiber towel in back and forth motion, back and forth. As you can see, I'm not using the traditional bucket and towel method. I'm using a rinseless wash product. This helps you conserve water and also allows you to use about a quart of water to clean a vehicle. It's very helpful in today's time when people are concerned about environmentally friendly products and water conservation. Just to note, the typical car wash uses about anywhere from 10 to 15 gallons of water. So with the process we're using here today, we're just using about a quart of water. So you can imagine over the course of time the amount of water we're saving in cleaning vehicles. And again, constantly still using the back and forth motions. We wipe down each panel, windows, and we flip our microfiber towel inside out. With the fresh side of our microfiber towel, we continue to wipe down the driver's side panel. And our mirrors.